Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I want to show you how I did this fabulous full looking bow with all those different strands. So of course this does use the Celebration Baker's Twine and Sequin pack, but a lot of you already have that and that is why it is gone already. So those of you who have it, then you can use this fabulous technique with that ribbon, but I'm also going to show you in linen thread as well. So we can all do this with any sort of ribbon or baker's twine or thread. I find that with ribbon, you really have to be careful on how big and thick the bow can be, but it would also be great for a 3D package item and not always for a card. You could use this, on anything. So I'm going to show you how I did that. First, I just took 3 pieces of the thread. Here I actually have 5. So I just took 3 of them. And this dimension I got because I do the bunny ears trick. So I make 2 bunny ears. So here I have my 2 bunny ears that I just pulled out. And so I have 2 bunny ears here. And I'm just going to tie a knot with those 2 loops. Now the hardest part is making sure all of your loops come through. You want all 3 of them to come through. And it's okay that it's kind of messy at this point because now we're just going to place our thumb and finger on that center knot and pull as much or as little as we need until we get the correct size of loops and a nice tight bow. I still feel like these loops on this side are a little bit too big. So there we go. So now we have that fabulous full looking bow with all those little extra pieces. Oh, sorry. I'll put it there so you can see. And then, you can just trim off your little tails to make them the length that you wish. I always use mini glue dots to stick these down. If you've ever gotten a kit from Stampin' Up, you get a sheet of the mini glue dots that look like this. And there's always like 250,000 extras in the kits, I feel like. So I have a ton of these mini glue dots. But there's also the regular mini glue dots that you can purchase. And they come in a box like this and then on a roll. So the mini glue dots are on this roll and you just need to find it on that paper. And so there's one. I'm not sure how well you can see it because it's clear, but it might be a little shiny for you. So I'm just going to take the mini glue dot, pop it off, stick it down here on my little tag. And I actually think I'm going to go ahead, because I have plenty, I'm going to go ahead and put one on either side of that center piece. So now I have all 3 mini glue dots there and I'm just going to peel off those paper backs. You definitely don't want to try peeling off the paper back before sticking it down because otherwise you'll end up with it stuck to your finger or it will lose its shape and just become a little glue roll, glob, or whatever you would like to call that. And then I'm just going to press my bow into those glue dots for that fabulous look. And so now I'm actually think I'm going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to show you how I did this with linen thread. Okay, so here I actually have 5 pieces of linen thread because I feel like linen thread is thinner and so you could really go with however many strands you wish. You could go 10, you could go 3, you could go 2. That's all personal preference. So again, I have this. I'm going to wrap it around my pointer finger. And then with my thumb and my middle finger, which are those middle ones there in the center, I'm trying to wiggle them. Then I'm going to hold both ends there, pop out my little bunny ear fingers, so popping these out of those loops. And then now with these 2, I'm going to tie a knot. Making sure to pull all those through. Now you can see this one is even messier than last time. I have a lot of tails over here that are really close and then these are really big. But again, it's okay. I'm just going to hold that center, pull those tails, hold the center, pull these tails, and then now I'm going to pull the loops tight again. And then again, you can hold that center and pull those tails until you get the desired look. And again, remember that you can manipulate ribbon. Just kind of yank and pull and push and use adhesive if you need to. So there you have that fabulous bow. And I'm just going to trim off the ends here. And there you have here, I'm going to put it down there so that you can see it a little bit better. And there you have that fabulous full looking bow. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial showcasing the full bow and trying to do it with bunny ears. I hope I was able to slow that down and showcase it really well. Again, practice makes perfect. So if you don't get it the first time, don't worry. Just keep trying. I feel like the more I do it, the easier it becomes. So, and I do it a lot. So again, practice makes perfect is my tip for that for sure. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more pictures and a full tutorial of this beautiful card here that uses the full bow. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.